A new world awaits your presence at White Meadows, a home that caters to all of your essential demands in a sophisticated way. Closely connected to metro stations, hospital, healthcare units, educational institutes, shopping malls, all in one place to provide you with the best facilities and comfort, making life easy. Thus, White Meadows is the place to be. Spread over a vast expanse of nature, a mesmerizing lifestyle where nature brims your senses, where the mornings start with the chopping of buds. Beautiful living spaces inclusive of nature's charm. A sight of lush green horizons give the perfect relief by providing adjacently the nature and sophistication of privileges and amenities. This will perfectly define your dream home aspirations. Let's take a tour of the extravagant living. Let's celebrate the grandness of life here at White Meadows. There will be only stories of new experiences, happiness, and self-exploration with the home. Home that caters to all of your essential demands in a sophisticated way. It's perhaps the address to the most desired comforts and conveniences. At the captivating surroundings and the mind-nourishing setups, enjoyment gets even more escalated with the beautiful game zones, the yoga room, and the meditation area. Keep your mind and body fresh with our high-end gymnasium. Plunge deeper into happiness and well-being. Indulge in the wide landscape that not only brings out the child in you but also justifies the playful needs of children. There will no longer be indoor sessions here at White Meadows. Go out and feel the fresh air. The exquisitely spacious community hall is the perfect place for parties, gatherings, and events. A perfect, splendid lifestyle that's luxurious and is likewise affordable too. The soothing ambience that always awaits your presence is a delight to your senses. Accentuating nature's magnificence with modern luxuries and enriching features is the most affordable way of life. With an exclusive and elegant rooftop sitting area, get ready to experience innumerable comforts. Gear up to relish the beautiful monsoons here at White Meadows. In the lap of nature, feel the sublime mix of tantalizing motions. The beautiful skyline embodies over-the-top feelings of living in a dream location amidst a splendid ambience. Life calls for celebrations, happiness, and mutual participation at the White Meadows. Get indulged in the bond of emotions and memories. Let's mark new beginnings at White Meadows.